Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.48. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further descent. The trend over the past 3 months suggests an anticipated change of -42% over the next quarter, with potential returns ranging from -49.54% to -35.95%. In a longer view, our analysis over 12 months predicts a change of approximately 49.48%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from 49.48% to 254.39% in the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price estimated between $340 and $606. Our latest daily update for Tesla presents the headline, "A very red day for Tesla's stock price after a decline of 5.75% in the Monday trading session." The Tesla stock price decreased by 5.75% on the last trading day, Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, dropping from $241.38 to $227.50. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.22%, reaching a low of $222.80 and a high of $232.21. The stock has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 4.98% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 14 million shares. Despite the falling prices, this may signal an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. In total, 96 million shares changed hands for approximately $21.86 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $138.80. Currently, the price stands 53.43%, or $261.4, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has taken a significant hit recently, dropping nearly 7% to trade around $224.28, amid a broader market sell-off. This downward pressure is largely attributed to a combination of external factors, including political tensions surrounding President Trump's comments on the Federal Reserve, which have sparked investor unease across major tech stocks, including Tesla. Moreover, former board member Steve Westley has indicated that Tesla urgently needs to identify new growth avenues, suggesting that its current trajectory may not be sustainable without innovation or diversification. As the company prepares for its first quarter earnings report, the market remains cautious, with many investors concerned about a potential downturn in vehicle unit sales. Analysts are signaling that the upcoming earnings could be pivotal, with some even branding it a code red situation for Elon Musk's firm, amplifying the anxiety surrounding the stock. In addition, Tesla recently settled a wrongful death lawsuit related to a past incident involving sudden acceleration, which could impact the company's reputation and lead to increased scrutiny from investors and regulators alike. Long-term, Tesla's ability to rebound will hinge on its innovation in vehicle technology and its response to these challenges. If the company can regain momentum by effectively addressing these concerns, it may stabilize its stock performance in the future. However, in the short term, Tesla appears vulnerable to further declines as investors digest these developments and await clearer indicators from the impending earnings report. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned Tesla a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Tesla as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, UBS gave Tesla a grade of reduce with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, Oppenheimer rated Tesla as mixed with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, GLJ Research assigned Tesla a grade of buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And so far, it has risen by 2.54%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Tesla stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $245.94 and $253.68. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 49 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $225.31. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.41 between its high and low, which is approximately 4.22%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 450 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $233.29. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $225.31. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of April, 2025, TSLA Inc. executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. On the same day, TSLA Inc. also conducted an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 7th of April, 2025, TSLA Inc. made another insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Murdoch James R. executed an insider purchase of 351,787 shares of common stock. On that same day, Murdoch James R. also sold 54,776 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 19.223. In total, insiders purchased 887,105 shares and sold 1,328,251 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla displays several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, indicating that we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adopted a negative view of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we expect Tesla to open higher by 330 cents, starting at $227.50. We remind you that trading entails a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.